Yes, hi everyone. If you are watching this video first time, so don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also I am requesting to put your finger on the bell button. As today, let's we discuss about how we can convert two winding transformer to the auto transformer. Auto transformer. So we know the difference between two winding transformer and auto transformer. Then how we can convert two winding transformer to auto transformer? Then how its kVA rating is affected? How its kVA rating is affected? Because almost all competitive examinations we used to observe such a question. We used to observe such a question even in the gate also. So we observe this question. So let us we discuss about this. Suppose for example I have the transformer like this. This is two winding transformer. Two winding transformer. So let us we assume the primary voltage is V1, secondary voltage is V2. Primary voltage is V1, secondary voltage is V2. Now we want to transform this to either this position. This is one pattern for auto transformer, and another pattern is like this. Okay, so now how we can transform? This is pattern 1 and here it is pattern 2. So pattern 1 is considered as, so here it is the lower voltage and here it is a higher voltage, so therefore it is step up transformer, and this is step down transformer. How we can transform this two winding transformer to the single winding transformer or auto transformer? In the sense, for example, I have the two winding transformer like this. Its ratings are V1 by V2. V1 by V2 like this, and they are given like this. Dots are given in this fashion. Dots are given in this fashion. So then how we can transform? In the sense, he has given the kVA rating also. Let S is the kVA rating. So once if we know the S, then we can easily find out the values of I1 and I2. I1 and I2. So first he has given the values of V1 and V2. S is also given. From this data we can able to determine the values of I1 and I2, and the question is like this: if this transformer is converted to the auto transformer like this, then what is kVA rating? So here the dots are like this. We know that this voltage is V1 and here this voltage is V2. Then what is this voltage? V is equal to how much this voltage? If you observe this, dots are placed. If you apply some KVL like this in this loop, this current flows in this fashion. That means the dots are placed at the same ends of the two coils. So hence the net amount of voltage is V1 plus V2. Or if suppose the dots are like this. Dots are in this fashion. So here we have one dot and here you have one dot. Let it be, this is V1, this V. So hence V is equal to V1 difference V2. Okay, like this. So that means if the dots are placed at the opposite ends of the coils, so then the net voltage is V1 difference V2. Suppose for example, so I am taking the example of 2014 gate bit. So they have given the question like this: a single phase, yes, the question is like this: a single phase 50 kVA 1000 volts by 100 volts, two winding transformer, transformer is connected as an auto transformer as shown in figure. He has given the figure like this. He has given the figure in this fashion. Yes, like this, and the dots are placed in this fashion. Okay. So the kVA rating of auto transformer is dash. kVA rating of auto transformer is dash. So now how we find the kVA rating? So he has given the kVA rating of two winding transformer, that is 50 kVA. If it is 50 kVA, now we can able to find out I1 and I2. Suppose for example, he states that this is 100 volts, sorry, this is 1000 volts, and here it is 100 volts. Primary voltage is 1000, secondary voltage is 100. So then what is I1, I2? Yes, kVA reading. Solution is like this. Yes, kVA is 50 or VA is 50,000. VA is 50,000. If it is 50,000, then what is the value of I1 and I2? What is the value of I1 and I2? So here I1 is VA by V1. VA by V1. That means 50,000 by 1000. This value is 50 amps. Then what is I2? I2 is VA by V2. So then this will be 50,000 by, this is 100, this is 500 amperes. Yes, this information is for two winding transformer. This is for two winding transformer. But here we have the auto transformer. Then how much voltage here? If it is 1000 volts and it is 100 volts, and you can observe, if you apply the KVL in the second loop, the dots are placed at the same ends of the two coils. So hence this is the aiding connection. This is aiding connection. Hence the net voltage is 1000 plus 100. This is 1100 volts. So this value is V2. That value is V2. So V2 is equal to 1100 volts. Already you know I2 is 500 amps. So therefore rating, KVA rating is equal to V2 into I2. Yes, V2 is 1100 and I2 is 500. Then it is 11 5s are 55,000. So hence what is KVA rating? The KVA rating of the transformer is 550 kVA. Yes, 550 kVA. So here we have to observe that the 50 kVA is transformed to 550 kVA when it is transformed to the auto transformer, and the dots are placed like this. Suppose for example if the dots are placed in opposite direction, so like this, so here one dot and here another dot, so then what happened, this will be 1000 minus 100, so hence V2 is 900. According to that we can calculate the value of kVA rating. So hope you understand this problem. The same kind of problem were asked in the many competitive examination like GATE also. So I hope you enjoy this video. So keep on watching this. So I will post the multiple videos and the tips regarding to the competitive examination. So for electrical and electronics engineering students, thank you for watching this. Thank you once again.